Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those asking, Google Chrome did have an update through the weekend. So there was a update to the browser. If you go in the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome, you will have version 99.0.4844.82. Some might see it .83 because I've noticed two versions are there. Now, there doesn't seem to be any security updates in here because I thought, this is weird that they do a weekend update because it kind of started rolling out yesterday, Sunday, March 20th. But after looking at it, it does seem that this probably contains mostly bug fixes. No security reports are done on it, and there's no security update page. Very little details, so I would guess that what they did here is just fixed a few little things that were not going right within the browser itself, as there doesn't seem to be any security report noted about it. So if I do find other details, as there's not a lot of them except in the log, which is kind of a long, boring thing to go through, I'll let you guys know. But just in case you would like to update to the latest, if not automatically, because most of you that are using it every day, you'll probably be updated automatically. Maybe you are already. Google does say it could take up to several days before some people see the latest versions, but all versions are being updated to this new version. So 99.0.4844.82, and that is, of course, the probably one of the last updates before we reach the Google Chrome version 100 in a couple of weeks from now, which is going to be interesting to see. A few of you have been asking me if that change to version 100 has been having any problems or people reporting any issues. From what I see, that move to version 100 doesn't seem to really impact much on the web. It has to do with the fact that the character string of the version number is passing from 2 to 3 digits, which sounds simple, but for some web pages, it has a problem. But also what's happening here is that they have been going through a lot of web pages and making sure that if some web pages have a crash or a problem because of the version 100, they have added that to a list of pages of known issues. And what happens is when you go to that page, it'll report version 99 instead of 100 to make sure it doesn't crash. So that's what we have. Latest update, for those wondering what it is, it seems to be mostly bug fixes. Nothing really related to security for now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.